Hey everyone, welcome back to Mama's Fluent English. I'm Melanie, and today we're doing something a little different. We're bridging the gap between my current world of English coaching and my previous career as a nutritionist. We often talk about study habits and grammar, but we rarely discuss the physiological side of learning. To master a language, you have to optimize your brain fuel. We've all been there. You're staring at a wall of text, and despite your best efforts, nothing is sinking in. You're experiencing brain fog. Ugh. Is this just a lack of discipline? No, not necessarily. Often, it's a sign your brain is struggling to process information because it lacks the necessary nutrients. When your cognitive load is high, your brain needs more than just willpower to keep those neural pathways open. The most overlooked factor in cognitive performance is hydration. Your brain is approximately 75% water, and even a 2% drop in hydration can lead to a significant decline in concentration and short-term memory. Does this mean you should reach for your third cup of coffee? No, caffeine is a diuretic and can actually dehydrate you further. If you're feeling sluggish, try a glass of water first. It's the simplest way to reboost your focus. Next, let's talk about structural health. Your brain has more fats than any other organ in your body, and it relies heavily on omega-3 fatty acids for cell membrane integrity. These fats, found in salmon and walnuts and avocados, literally help your neurons communicate with each other. Do you think your brain can thrive on a low-fat, highly processed diet? Absolutely not. You need these smart fats to ensure your memory is firing on all cylinders. Now let's look at protection. Language learning is a high-stress activity for the brain, which can lead to oxidative stress. Antioxidants, like those found in high concentrations in berries like blueberries and strawberries, act as a defense system. They protect your brain from inflammation and help maintain neuroplasticity. Are these just nice to have as a snack? No, they're essential for long-term brain health and retaining that complex vocabulary you're working so hard to remember. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are nutritional powerhouses. They're rich in vitamin K, lutein, and folate, which have been shown to sharpen your focus and slow down cognitive aging. They essentially improve your mental processing speed. Would you rather have a brain that's lagging, like a slow internet connection? No, you want a brain that's nimble and ready to react. This is my favorite tip. High quality dark chocolate contains flavonoids that stimulate blood flow to key areas of the brain involved in memory and learning. It also provides a tiny controlled boost of caffeine to help you stay locked in without stimulating your brain too much. Is this an excuse to eat a giant candy bar? No. It's about small, strategic brain boost to get you through a tough study session. We're talking about 1 or 2 squares of dark chocolate. We also have to talk about what to avoid. Refined sugar causes massive fluctuations in your blood glucose. You get that initial high followed by a total crash. Does sugar support long-term memory retention? No. It actually causes inflammation that can hinder your learning processes. If you want to stay sharp, you really need to cut out the empty calories. So how can you integrate this into your study routine? Before you dive into your English immersion, prepare your environment. Have some water, have some nuts or berries, and get your materials ready. When you align your biology with your goals, your progress becomes much more streamlined. Is hard work enough on its own? No, you have to work smarter, not just harder. Fuel your brain properly. I hope this deep dive into brain nutrition helps you take your English to the next level. This is a topic I'm incredibly passionate about. So if you enjoyed this crossover, let me know in the comments and feel free to ask any questions. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more high quality English input. Stay healthy, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.